After I made announcement of the program which was coming and was really taking place of the Chief Justice donating a whole big church to the Catholics, the Catholic community of Uganda, that is for the Gulu diocese, I saw some comments which were very negative on the church issue. So there are many people who say the church is useless, giving reasons that this church is just not going to benefit in the helping of maybe in helping the major problem in Acholi, that is the poverty-stricken region. But then those people are mistaken. The Chief Justice has been doing a lot beyond just belief or faith. If we get back also in culture, he's very strong there. So this video is just to debunk the myth that the Chief Justice only gave the church. No, it's not true. Among things that the Chief Justice has been doing, that he made attempts, there is he tried coffee revolution in 2015, which failed. It failed and he left. In 2023-24, the Chief Justice tried macadamia revolution to drug his people into macadamia production, but it also failed because it is not his own making. The reason is very clear. The soil and the climate, that is the edaphic factor and the climate factor, is not suitable for these crops. It needs the genes to be modified to suit the environment, that is genetic modification. And then tertiary institution, a state-of-the-art tertiary institution, is one of the things that the CJ is trying to bring in. He is still lobbying it from the Catholic society so that it is brought at home. A world-class tertiary institution, I think it will be a technical training center which may help the entire country. And then also we must remember that he has been fighting for land preservation. You know, his speech about the Balalo and several other things. But also on the other hand, proven things that have really succeeded that the CJ did include the construction of primary school, which was started by the parents back at his home. He completed that primary school. It's very nice, it's next to the church. And also the church itself, he has given it to the people. And the Rochepayo program is part of the founding fathers of the Rochepayo, alongside Olarotum. He brought the chief magistrate courts and the high court into Batoro and a lot of other places in Acholi and the entire Uganda, which is an initiative by him to expand justice to nearby poor people, so that even a poor can reach the court without incurring a lot of cost. And then also he's having a model mini irrigation scheme at his home, where we all showed to you people. So the Chief Justice is doing much more than just a church, and even much more than what we already know. That is what I believe. So I think talking that the church is useless, oh, he would have brought something else. No, he has been bringing several things. He has been there for his people. I think to those who think that the CJ is only limiting himself to the church, no. Either you are less informed, or maybe you just have a negative attitude. Thank you.